if I told you? There's a free AI tool that lets you create viral videos for free, in seconds? No editing skills, no expensive software, just AI doing all the work for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm revealing the secret AI tool that's blowing up right now. And the best part? It's 100% free and creates stunning videos in seconds. If you want to go viral without spending hours editing, stick around. This will change everything. In this video, I'll show you a method that will allow you to generate those viral videos in seconds, completely for free. If you want to really understand this method thoroughly and truly create those viral AI videos, you must watch this entire video from start to finish without skipping any parts. Before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI secrets. Let's move on to the first step. Now go to the search bar and search for Google Studio. After that, click on First Website. Now you will get an interface like this. Now complete the sign-up process. For that you have to click on Sign In. Now accept the terms and conditions. After that you will get an interface like this. Just click on Media icon. As you can see the different models here that allows you to generate images with Gemini and speech generation. Also you can create high-quality images with Imagen, and you can create music with Lyria real-time. To generate the video, you have to click on Veo. Now you will get an interface like this. At the right side, you can see the options like video ratio, video duration, frame rate, resolution, and negative prompt. This allows you to, if there are elements you do not want us to include in your video, such as character movements or background colors, you can add them here yourself. Now I will show you how to generate a video using a simple prompt, the easiest way to create videos with Veo. For this, you have write your prompt into this box. After that, click on Run. In just a few seconds, you will get the video here. After complete the video generation, you can watch the video. As you can see, the video quality is really amazing. Now I will show you generate second video. Simply follow the step as previously done. Go the back and give the prompt into this box. And click on Generate. As you can observe, both videos produced with the image, prompt, maintain high quality. Alright, now I'm going to show you create a video with image. Just click on the image icon and select the image which one you want to convert in a video. After that, describe your image into this box like this. And click on Generate. It will be available to you shortly. You may watch it here and download it as well. Just download the video, click on three dot and click on Download. And that's it. By following this process, you can generate high-quality videos from Google Studio for free. With a single attempt here, you can create 5 to 6 videos at once. Once your free attempts are completed, you can still create videos using Gemini. After all attempts are used, you can return the next day to create videos again, completely free of charge. If you found this video truly helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel so you never miss out on amazing AI tool tutorials. See you in the next one.